It's running. It's running.
It is. Let me see.
It's running.
Yay! Okay. Oh, what a giddy off. Look at this. I can completely cover my shoes in snow. What if I could fill my pockets full of snow?
It'll melt later. You're entitled.
Oh, yeah.
Snow is no big deal for me. I've seen it every single year. I've seen my mother's.
Wow.
I've seen my mother's car buried. I've walked through it.
Okay, Floridian, what's this?
Yes, you're entitled. If you didn't have a dress on, I'd say make a snow angel.
Okay, guys. Oh, that's cold. That's how much snow is on the table.
I'm serious. If you weren't wearing a dress, I'd say make an angel.
Oh, no. I'm good. I've made 2 snow angels this year. All right, the foolish Floridian is ready to go inside. Oh, crap. The key's not working. Is it frozen?
No.
Crap. How do I get in? Oh, it's still open, that's why. All right, hit stop. I gotta go in and